Kulonyaka leBhanka inguvimba icuthe inzala kwimali-mboleko nge-300 basis point. Oku kuza njengoko ifuthe le-COVID-19 lafaka uxinzelelo kuqoqosho lwehlabathi ngokubanzi. Kodwa irhuluneli yelibhanka inguvimba iqinisekile kwelokuba ukuthotywa kwenzala kwimali-mboleko asisisombululo kwiingxaki zoqoqosho lweli.
These should be addressed by implementing prudent macroeconomic policies and structural reforms that lower costs generally and increase investment opportunities, potential growth and job creation.
Ingxaki zoqoqosho zili kuzawufuneka kubiliselwe inguqu ukuze luhlume uqoqosho lweli.
We need to see other things happening in the economy to get the economy active again. And the ball is not in the bank's court, in my view.
Ezinye ingcali zithi leBhanka iwuphosile umhlola ngokungathobi kwakhona inzala kwimali-mboleko.
It is a disappointing decision, one that doesn't make a lot of sense to me. I admit they've cut a lot this year. I totally agree that it's up to government to do structural change in the economy. But at this point, given this extraordinary circumstances that we are in, the fact that the Reserve Bank have revised their growth forecast down for this year by almost a full percentage point, the fact that they've revised the inflation forecast lower for this year and next, plus the quarterly forecast for the third and fourth quarter this year, they revised their forecasts lower.
Abanye baqinisekile kwelokuba ayizukuthotywa inzala kwimali-mboleko kuya phambili.
The decision today will obviously further alleviate the burden of the indebted, but of course looking ahead, should the economic recovery falter, the Reserve Bank may look to cut further. If not, then this is probably the last cut in the current cycle.
leBhanka inguvimba ithi uqoqosho lweli aluzuqhuba kakuhle kwaphela kulonyaka.